Welcome back to AB Luxury. Today, we're exploring the cutting-edge world of hydrogen fuel cell technology with the 2025 Toyota Mirai FCEV. Toyota's pioneering electric vehicle promises zero emissions with exceptional range and luxury features. Let's dive in and see how Toyota's hydrogen-powered Mirai is shaping the future of green mobility. Toyota has led the way in hydrogen fuel cell technology, creating a unique option for those looking for green transportation. Unlike battery EVs, hydrogen fuel cells generate electricity through a chemical reaction, producing only water vapor as emissions. Starting with the first Mirai, Toyota has set the standard in this subsector. The Mirai's design reflects its futuristic technology, featuring a sleek, aerodynamic shape and premium styling. It has LED headlamps, a distinctive front grille, and flowing lines that give it a luxurious yet advanced look. Toyota offers a variety of color options and trim levels to suit different tastes. Inside, the Mirai combines luxury and innovation, offering a spacious cabin with high-quality materials and elegant finishes, soft-touch surfaces, premium leather, and an advanced climate control system create a comfortable, high-end environment. The layout is driver-focused, delivering a futuristic feel without sacrificing comfort. The Mirai also shines in terms of technology. Its infotainment system includes a large touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and cloud-based navigation. Additional features like wireless charging, premium audio, and advanced driver assist technologies enhance both connectivity and convenience. On the performance side, the Mirai brings efficiency in power through hydrogen. It provides ample horsepower with a smooth, quiet operation that aligns with its eco-friendly mission. With an impressive range on a full hydrogen tank, it rivals many traditional EVs, and refueling takes only a few minutes at available hydrogen stations. Safety is a priority for Toyota, and the Mirai comes equipped with Toyota's Safety Sense, which includes a pre-collision system, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assist. These features ensure that the Mirai is safe for passengers while supporting environmental sustainability. When it comes to pricing, the Mirai positions itself in the luxury eco-friendly market. Its price point, combined with potential incentives for FCEVs, makes it a competitive option compared to other luxury EVs. In conclusion, the 2025 Toyota Mirai FCEV offers green technology, luxurious features, and high performance. Toyota's commitment to sustainable mobility shines through in this extraordinary vehicle. If you're ready to drive the future, explore the Mirai at your local Toyota dealership. Thanks for watching AB Luxury. Remember to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more groundbreaking automotive content.